Have you thought about the opportunity of selling on Amazon, but you weren't quite sure if it was legit, what it is, and how to go about it? Well, in today's video, I'm going to answer those questions and break down why you should consider selling on Amazon in 2019, so stay tuned. What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trevin Peterson. I'm a full-time multiple six-figure Amazon seller, and in today's video what I want to do is break down the 3 main reasons why I sell on Amazon and why you should consider selling on Amazon yourself. I'm also going to kind of break down the Amazon FBA business model very briefly because there's a lot of people that will be watching this video that don't really know what the opportunity is. So before we dive into the video, I want to dive into my seller account, show you guys that I actually sell on Amazon. It actually works and I actually make money selling weird niche products on Amazon. So let's dive into my seller account. So right here, as you guys can see, for the day, I've done just under $900, and in the last 30 days, I've done just under $63,000. So I share that with you first to let you know what I teach is up to date, it's current, it actually works, and to let you know that, hey, Amazon actually works and there's a ton of potential. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and make sure to join our free Amazon Champion Facebook group. And then also, if you guys want to get started and you want me to help you along the whole process, then join the full A to Z Amazon Champion course. So I'll include those in the links down below, so check those out. But without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, so why should you consider selling on Amazon in 2019? And what I did is I put together a little brief slideshow that I'm going to kind of show you guys what Amazon FBA is, some of the statistics, and why I absolutely love selling on Amazon. So let's dive into my screen right here. We'll use this PowerPoint, as you guys can see right here. But let's go to the first slide and let's talk about what is Amazon FBA. So as you guys can see right here, there's like 5 steps to the Amazon FBA process. So first and foremost, what is FBA? FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and basically what that means is anytime you shop on Amazon and you purchase something via Prime and you can get it in 1 to 2 days, that is coming from an Amazon fulfillment center, where they're shipping the product, they're picking and packing it, and they're shipping it to the customer. So with this business model, basically, as you can see, I find and I source a product, I then ship that product to Amazon, and as soon as I get an order, Amazon then ships that product to the customer, and it's basically as simple as that. Now, that does sound super simple, and I don't want to make it think that, oh, boom, 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 and you're just making a bunch of money. It does take some time to find your initial product. But once you do find that product, then the rest is pretty easy because, Amazon is doing most of the legwork. So understand that. It's mostly time up front. Once you find that product, then Amazon can do the fulfillment for you, and it's just an incredible, just unique business model. So that's Amazon FBA in a nutshell. So now let's talk a little bit about Amazon itself and them as a company. So as you guys can see, Amazon's growth, it's crazy. The statistic of every dollar spent online, 49 cents was spent on Amazon. So literally Amazon is responsible for 50% of all online sales throughout the entire US. So think about that. How many times do you buy something online? How big of an industry it is? 50% of it is Amazon. So it's what they've built is just insane, and they just keep growing year after year. So in 2017, Amazon shipped more than 5 billion items, and that was in 2017. We're in 2019, and they just keep growing. 5 billion items, that's crazy. So right here, Amazon Prime international customers will grow at a 56% compound annual growth rate between 2016 to 2018. So Amazon, not just in the US, is growing worldwide. They know it works. They've expanded to Australia, Japan, Europe. They have marketplaces all over, and they're just seeing massive success, and that's basically where the world is going, is online sales. People want things easy. They want things to be convenient. You can literally pick up your smartphone and boom, 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 have a product delivered to your door in a day. I mean, how easy is that, and how cool is that? So that's just kind of crazy to look at. Another thing is there's 80 million Amazon Prime members, um, and that's 64% of households in the U.S. So I mean that in itself just blows my mind. That 64% of U.S. households have an Amazon Prime membership. That's crazy. The next and last statistic is the average Amazon Prime customer spent $2,400 over the last 12 months. That's crazy. People are. I mean, 80 million people. The average customer spent 2,400 bucks. I I mean that is so much money going in, and I mean, if that doesn't get you excited, I don't know what does. So, like looking at those numbers is great, but now, okay, yeah, Amazon is huge. How can I actually use Amazon to benefit me? So, let's talk about why I just absolutely love Amazon FBA. I was kind of mentioning this, is time is mostly up front. When I was talking about kind of the Amazon FBA process, you're finding, you're searching, you're looking for that product, you're sourcing that product. Once you have that done and you have the product listed and created, Amazon does the rest of the work. You aren't shipping your products. You don't even need to touch them because you can literally ship it from China to an Amazon fulfillment center. So the time is up front. If you can put in just a bunch of hours in the beginning and then get paid every single week from there on out, I mean, that's pretty incredible. Now, it's not 100% passive. Once you get everything set up, you still need to manage what's called PPC campaigns. You still need to reorder the inventory, and you need to keep up to date with some customer service, but it's very little compared to the work that you put up front. So right now, currently, within my Amazon FBA business, if I'm not launching new products, and I'm always launching new products, but if I don't, I could sustain my FBA business where it's at with like a couple hours a week, and I'm doing over 5 figures profit per month. So that just kind of shows you the potential and the opportunity right there. Time is mostly up front. The next thing, which we've talked about, Amazon fulfills your orders. There's so many, I mean, that's one of the hardest things of having your own online shopper, like for example, selling on eBay or reselling. It's a great opportunity to resell, but what happens is as soon as someone orders that product, you have to be home to ship that out. You can't be traveling, you can't take the day off, you have to be shipping units every single day. And with Amazon, I could be across the world in Italy, or I could be in South America, in Peru, checking out Machu Picchu like I did just a few weeks ago, and literally don't have to worry about shipping my units because Amazon is doing it for me. So that's just an incredible opportunity right there in itself, is leverage Amazon, let them do the fulfillment, and the best part is they get your shipments to your customer in 1 to 2 days. That makes for a happy customer, which is another huge benefit of why I just absolutely love Amazon. So that's the second thing. Another thing is you get Amazon's marketplace. I mean, like I was showing you, 80 million Amazon Prime members. That's 80 million people plus with their credit cards locked and loaded inside of Amazon. And as soon as they find a product, it's as simple as hit buy, and boom, they already have their address in there. They already have their credit card information, and they don't even need to think about it. And they're already buying the product. Whereas if you're doing, like, for example, Shopify drop shipping, you have the entire process of trying to convince them to buy your product, and they have like 5 minutes of them entering in their information, their credit card number, their address, and they're thinking the whole time like, is this legit? Like, do I actually need this product? Like, what happens if they scam me? Like, I don't know if this is a trusted site. I mean, that goes through the customer's head, but when they shop on Amazon, that's the last thing that they're going through their head, because they know Amazon takes care of their customers, so you're going to leverage their customers. So that's a huge benefit of Amazon. The next thing is it's really easy to scale. With most businesses, it's hard to scale because you don't have the infrastructure, you don't have the employees, you don't have the capital. But what's cool with Amazon is I'm a one-man show. I don't have any employees, and I'm able to do almost 6 figures a month. And that's pretty crazy because Amazon has, I think they have just under 800,000 employees worldwide. So basically, you're using their employees and their systems and their processes, and they're doing the work for you. And yeah, they're taking a little percentage, they're taking a little fee every time someone ships out a product, but overall, it's a lot easier and it doesn't bottleneck you from being able to scale. So let's say you just launched a super cool new product and you have to, and you aren't using Amazon as your fulfillment. You're going to have to get a warehouse, you're going to have to get a fulfillment team, and as soon as you start growing, you're going to have to get a bigger warehouse and more employees, and it takes time to do that. Where Amazon, they already have the processes in place. All you need to do is just ship the inventory, and then boom, 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 they're shipping it to the customers. So that's another cool, unique feature about Amazon FBA. Another thing is you don't really need to be tech savvy. Amazon is something where you can literally do it without knowing how to program, understanding marketing like Facebook and Instagram ads. You don't need to do those. I've never, that's a lie. I've ran a few Facebook and Instagram ads on my business, but it doesn't work as good as just using the marketing inside of Amazon. It's a whole lot easier. It's a lot more simple. You don't need to understand and basically learn a whole new language of programming and all that stuff. So that's another cool, unique thing about Amazon. You don't need to have some special skill to succeed with it. The next thing, kind of touching on, we get Amazon's marketplace. You get the warm leads like I was mentioning with Shopify, or just other basically online boutiques, or if you have your own brand, you're convincing the customer through the whole process to trust you. Where Amazon, they already trust them. You don't need to convince them to trust Amazon. You just need to convince them that your product is the best. Whereas other business models, you have to convince them that your product is the absolute best, plus that you're responsible, you have good customer service, and all of that. I mean, for example, I ordered this product the other day, and I absolutely love it, but their customer service absolutely sucks. And I was talking to my brother about it. I'm like, if they're on Amazon, I'd order from them every single day. But the fact that they're not, I'm stopping ordering from them because I just hate them, because their customer support absolutely sucks. I wish I could say the names because they drive me insane, but freaking get on Amazon and I trust you. So that's the thing is, when I talk about this, I'm always thinking as the customer as well as the buyer, because I shop on Amazon. I mean, I probably spend way more than $2,500 a year. I spend so much money. I do like my grocery shopping on Amazon. So I from experience, I know how powerful the platform is, and you have these warm leads. And then the last thing is it's a high success rate where you can literally follow steps. It's not like you're just guessing. You can look at the data, look at the information, and you know, okay, this product is in demand. Okay, this product is too competitive, or oh, this product has a patent on it, I can't sell that. There's certain things that you can and can't do, and you just follow the rules. And if you know what you're looking for, it's going to be a lot easier to succeed than these other business models. So those are a lot of things why I love Amazon. There's a lot more, and I could talk about it forever. I'm super passionate about it. I freaking love Amazon, and I hope that you guys have that passion in you, and I hope that this video motivates you to really go out and just do whatever you can to start selling on Amazon. So get excited, because the opportunity is through the roof. So many people are talking about, oh, it's too competitive, the market's saturated. I don't believe that. I mean, Amazon has done billions of dollars, and to say that it's too saturated, you can come in and take like 0.0001% and still make your $1 million. So it's not too saturated. It's never too saturated. Just get in and you won't regret it. So I mean, right here, this is some revenue. As you guys can see, it's just grown year over year. And in 2017, they did $177 billion. I mean, that's a joke. That's just insane. And then here's just kind of an interesting chart talking about Amazon sellers. This is a little thing that Web Retailer did. And it basically is showing that 91% of Amazon sellers are making over $10,000 in sales. 39.6% of Amazon sellers are making over $100,000. And so that means 800,000 people a year are making 6 figures or more from the Amazon FBA business model. So I thought to myself, okay, if 800,000 people can do it, why can't I? So have that mentality. And if you have that mentality, you absolutely can succeed with Amazon. And I'm really excited about if this is the first time that you've heard about Amazon. There's so much opportunity, and I'm just really excited about it. And if you guys would like me to help you through the process, let me know. I have a full A to Z course. I'd love to help wherever I can. I have a free Amazon Champion Facebook group, so check out those links down below. I want you guys to get started, take action, and change your life today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this kind of gives you a better feel of Amazon FBA and the opportunity and basically what's in front of your feet. You just need to take some action and take the leap of faith and go for it. So I just want to say thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell, check out the other videos, talk about tons of different strategies on how to sell on Amazon, and don't forget to leave a comment and like this video. So we'll see you guys in the next video.